We're going to break down moon salutations. Step to the middle of your mat. Take your feet hips width apart. Bring your hands to touch in front of you. As you inhale, reach them up overhead. You can interlace your fingers and point your index fingers straight up. As you exhale, lean over to your right. Stay rooted in the left foot. Inhale, back through center. As you exhale, lean over to the left. Stay rooted in that right foot. Inhale, back through center. As you exhale, take the arms out to a cactus. Step the feet wide. Toes to the corner of the mat, squat down. Keep a nice tall spine. On your inhale, lengthen your arms and your legs, star pose. Reach through the crown of the head. Take your right toes and point them to the right short edge of the mat. Turn in those left toes as well. Reach the right fingertips towards the right. Hinge down for triangle pose. Left shoulder stacks over right. On your exhale, look down at the right foot, drawing the forehead towards the knee and the shin. Pyramid pose. Begin to bend the right knee, finding a low lunge over to the right. Option to drop the left knee to the mat. On your next breath, turn all toes over to the long edge of the mat. Keep a bend in the right knee, lengthen out the left leg. Maybe draw the heart upward, maybe keep supporting yourself. Maybe turning those left toes up to the sky. Coming into a Malasana squat, knees tracking over the toes, same direction as the toes. Keep pulling up the crown of the head, drawing the heart forward. Press the elbows against the inner thighs against the elbows. Then come to that side lunge on the left side, lengthening out the left leg. Keeping your torso up, active core, maybe pulling those toes up to the sky. Then turn over to your left, finding low lunge. Option to drop the right knee down to the mat. Hop that right foot in just a bit, lengthen both legs. Draw the forehead down towards the shin, pyramid pose. That left hand near the left ankle as you reach the right arm up, right shoulder stacks over left. On your inhale, rise up for star pose, point the toes to the corners of the mat. And as you exhale, squat, bending the arms into a cactus. Keep that long, tall spine. And on your next breath, bring the hands to touch in front of you, heel toe the feet together. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, lean over to the right. Inhale, back through center. Exhale, lean over to the left. Inhale. As you exhale, bring your palms to touch in front of your heart. Close the eyes. Continue to repeat this sequence as many rounds as you need. Moving slow like you're in water. Find replenishment, restore the body and mind. I thank you for sharing your practice with me. Namaste.